Hello there and welcome back. This is Harmonweb, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to add HTML to a WordPress page or post. And I'm going to be giving you two amazing things today. First is a 40% off discount code that you can use on your next web hosting purchase on Harmonweb. And second one is a currently ongoing promo on which you can get 70% off either web hosting, VPS server, cloud server, or anything may be on Harmonweb, you're getting it 70% off. So you know what? Watch this video to the end and I'm going to show you that. So now let's get started. All you need to do is first of all log into your WordPress admin dashboard. I'm logged into mine. Under the post or anything that you want to embed. This is my post now. I want to embed the HTML. Before going further, note that there are two methods in which you can do this on WordPress. You can either use the block editor or use the code editor to add your HTML code. Okay, so now I want to embed my HTML code between this first paragraph and this second paragraph. I'm going to come here, I'm going to click on enter. I'll be taken to choose a new block. I click on the plus sign and you are going to browse all. Okay, and if you come here, you search for HTML, you're going to see the block element here. Click on it, then automatically the block element will be added between the post or wherever you want it to be. So now let me paste my HTML code and let's click on what? Preview. Okay, can you see now that my HTML code has been successfully embedded? Let us publish this and see how it looks like. Okay, that's it for it. So I publish. This is the first method of embedding an HTML code into your WordPress page or post. Okay, so now let us view what we just embedded. As it for it to load. Okay, great. As you can see, what we embedded is already on our page. If you click on it, this is an hyperlink embed that we just did or inputted on our link. If you click on it now, it's going to redirect us to harmonweb.com. I just clicked on it and you see it's going to redirect you. So that is an hyperlink HTML embed. So next method that you can use is using the code editor method on on your WordPress admin dashboard to embed or add an HTML to your WordPress page or post. First of all, let us remove this block element. Okay, okay, we have removed it. Now come under, if you're using desktop or mobile, you are going to see it there. Okay, let me highlight it for you. Okay, you see these three that looks like a three notification bar. Click on it. Let's click on it. Then you're going to see code editor. Currently the editor we're using is a visual editor which allows you to add various block elements. But if you're using code editor, you'll be able to edit the codes of this particular page or post. So now we're switching to the second method, which is code editor. Can you see now that our post or let me page or post is now in HTML format? Okay, so I want to place my um code here, the HTML. Okay, paste my code. Okay, and if we switch back to our code editor, you will see the HTML already embedded. Can you see it here? Let us save this post and preview also. Again, get started. Let's get ready to the amazing part of this video, which are the discount codes that I'm going to be offering to you today. Okay, so now can you see that it has been embedded successfully? Can you see it here? I'm already on the link right now and you can see where it is going to redirect us to. Can you see this is the mobile view? So now here is the embed, what we embedded. This is it. Can you see that if I hover on it, so let me get back to the desktop version. If I hover on it, you can see the destination that it is going to carry us to, because this is an hyperlinking HTML. Okay, can you see? If I click on it, this is where it's going to take me to, just like we inputted in our code. Okay, so that is how to embed or add an HTML element to your WordPress page or post. So now getting on to the amazing part of this video, the first one, in which you can see on your screen right now, gives you 40% off discount on your next web hosting purchase on Harmonweb. Isn't that great? That is not all. There's an ongoing promo going on right now in which you can get 70% off your next web hosting purchase on Harmonweb, be it server, VPS, cloud hosting, or anything. All you need to do is just come on to harmonweb.com/promo, and as you can see, the domain plus host for as low as 5,247 naira for what? For just 1 year. Isn't that amazing? Something you'll be spending up to about 20,000 naira on a normal day, you are getting it for just 5,247 naira. This offer does not last for long, so make sure you grab yours now. And you can see, for you can save 70% on all the web hosting purchases available on Amaway. See you guys in the next video, and until then, goodbye.